I built an entire on-brand marketing campaign inside Claude from just one prompt. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your own. Welcome to my AI content series, where I show you how to get creative with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created 10 on-brand social media posts in under 2 minutes using Bloom AI's MCP inside Claude. No graphic design skills, no Canva, no Photoshop, and no complicated prompt engineering. Just one conversation with Claude and a single prompt to generate content that's already aligned with your brand. Let me show you exactly how it works. Before we start generating content, let's look at what's happening behind the scenes. Everything begins with your brand's website or Instagram profile. Bloom AI analyzes your brand and builds a complete brand profile, capturing your colors, fonts, photography style, messaging, products, and overall visual identity. Claude then uses that brand profile to generate your images, write matching captions, and prepare everything for publishing. The result is content that stays consistent with your brand every single time. So, how does Bloom AI actually understand your brand? It starts by analyzing 3 key sources. First, your website, where it learns your messaging, visual hierarchy, and product information. Next, your Instagram, where it understands your photography style, color palette, and content tone. Finally, it uses your brand assets, such as logos, fonts, and design guidelines, to complete your brand profile. By combining all of these sources into one unified brand system, Bloom AI gives Claude everything it needs to generate professional, on-brand content automatically. From there, all you have to do is tell Claude what you want to create. Hi, I'm Carol, and in this video, we'll look at how you can design on-brand social media using a single prompt. Before we jump into Claude, you'll need a Bloom AI account. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and create one. Once you're inside, Bloom AI will ask for your brand's website or Instagram page. Paste the URL. Bloom AI then analyzes everything that defines your brand. It can ingest your website, social media, brand decks, Figma files, images, and other brand assets, combining them into one unified brand system. In just a few moments, Bloom understands your colors, typography, photography style, messaging, products, layouts, and overall visual identity, which means every image and piece of content it generates stays on brand automatically. Now that the brand has been trained, click MCP inside Bloom AI and copy the MCP link. Open Claude. Click Customize, then Connectors, then Add Custom Connector. Name it Bloom AI, paste the MCP link, and save. Claude is now connected directly to your Bloom AI brand. Now type something like, create 10 on-brand social media posts for this month's campaign. Claude uses the Bloom AI MCP to generate professionally designed on-brand social media posts directly inside the conversation. And that's it. Bloom starts generating. I'm not designing 10 individual posts by hand. I'm just describing what I need and letting Bloom produce the variations, all in our brand's actual colors and style. No manual styling needed. And there they are. 10 images, generated automatically, counting up right in front of you. That's 10 days worth of social content, from one prompt, same conversation, no new tool. Claude writes every caption automatically, attached to its image, in our brand's same voice, every single time. And just like that, we've created 10 fully branded social media posts, complete with captions, without switching between tools or spending hours designing. Bloom AI understands your brand. Claude understands your instructions. Together, they handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on creating better marketing, not more work. Imagine doing this for an entire month of content, multiple campaigns, or even several brands, all from a single conversation. If you found this workflow helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more practical AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to automate next. I'm Carol, and remember, let's create smarter, not harder. I'll see you in the next one.